Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today the review is going to be for the TLV Mazda RX-7. This is one of the casting other than Type R that I have been waiting for. When I see the preview pictures on the net for September, I got the whole range of TLV to share with you guys. Can't wait to unbox the Tomicarama behind to replace my existing Diorama on my backdrop for a refresh after all these years, as well as the 787B and a few other casting from Western Police, Nissan Skyline as well. So it will be a very cool feature for the upcoming days on TLV purchase for September. But right now, let's focus on the Mazda RX-7. So this is the new tooling for the Tomica Limited Vintage series. We have seen this on the Dream Tomica series for the Initial D team, the Redsuns brothers, as well as the Tomica Limited series for the Initial D, which come in a box set. I remember it's called the Limited Stage, which comprises of the Mazda RX-7 as well. It starts with the silver casting, which they label it as A. For B is yellow and so on and so forth. The color I prefer among the Mazda RX-7 is definitely the yellow version over the silver, but silver is still very cool. The only thing I'm very dissatisfied with is the rear light. The rear light seems to be a separate component. Seems to be, to me. I can't really tell. This is the first time I can't really tell whether it is a separate component or it's painted. I believe it's a separate component, which throws me a little bit off. I expected it to be in clear black. So, but it's not. For the front light, it's very nice. It's clear plastic with the blank license plate. And the wheel set is pretty cool. Very cool. The rear light is the factors that throws me off. If not, this will be a perfect casting. The next color variant is the casting everyone has been waiting for, including me. And that is the TLV Mazda RX-7 in yellow version. This yellow version got me very excited because I love watching Initial D. And here you have the TLV Mazda RX-7 in Redsuns theme. You can see here from the license plate that is unique to his car, as well as the Redsuns logo that is very evident on the car, and the front license plate which is blank. So very nice variant. So very simple touch up to make it into an Initial D variant, and I'm very happy about it. And here is the original casting from Tomica Limited Vintage. So they are both the same, except that I added the Redsuns logo and the license plate to it to make it unique to Keisuke. Right? It's just all having fun. You have that for Dream Tomica, you have that for Tomica Limited. For the normal Tomica series, why not Tomitech, right? If Tomitech will have an Initial D series, it will stir a storm in the mini car community. So very looking forward to the rest of the RX-7 release. If the rear light is clear, it will be nice. However, it's not, it's opaque. So that is the thing that I'm not very happy about it. And I hope you guys to enjoy the video. Remember to give a like to the video. Any comments, please to comment below. And please subscribe to Hot Custom YouTube channel. I do upload videos to my channel almost daily. Thanks everyone, goodbye and good night.